Now we're gonna play with this guy. See, we go up. This button switch is that bad. I need to replace it. Alright. So let's play here. Alright, now here is the tricky with this guy. We're gonna do, let's go down, but I'm not gonna touch the bottom. I gotta get careful with the pin number. I'm gonna go in this corner, all the way here, over there. After that, just down, 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 and that's all. Okay, got it right there. It's under the corner, all the way up. Okay, it's alignment. And here you see we under, we didn't touch the bin number, so we're fine. And finally, the only we have to do is down here. There you go. And let me put the holder. And we're finished. Okay. The alignment with the clips, the glass is on set. It's perfectly clean. We don't have been numbered messed. You see, complete clean. Let's go inside here and no mess, clean and clean and no dirt. Okay guys, so easy. We gotta just plug in the camera here, my rain sensor camera. We finished. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video here. This is still a long video. I don't think you guys need to see all this because everybody knows now really good the business. The only points was the ninjas, the slim fit, they unlock the hood to get more room, and that's all for the video. Okay guys, see you next time. Thank you so much and take care.